On this second theme of environment and sustainable living, we have 3 papers. The first one, may I request Joymala Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Geology, s.kula College, to deliver on sustainable agriculture, integrating environmental health, economic profitability, and social equity. Please carry on, madam.
Good morning, everyone. Title of my presentation is Sustainable Agriculture, Integrating Environmental Health, Economic Profitability, and Social and Economic Equity. According to Environment Protection Act 1986, environment includes all the physical and biological surrounding of an organism along with their interactions. Increased consumption of resources due to increased population results in environmental deterioration. Environment is crucial to human survival, so every human being has a duty to assure that the earth remains environmentally hospitable for supporting human life. Types of environment. There are 3 types of environment, and they are natural environment, man-made environment, and social environment. Natural environment. Natural environment has 4 basic components: atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere. These are abiotic or non-living components, and biosphere. This is biotic or living component. Atmosphere consists of gases, dust, water vapor, HPM, etc. and changes in the atmosphere caused by humans are release of solids and gases that are not normally found in the atmosphere. Example is CFC. Change in proportion of gases of atmosphere. Example is increase in greenhouse gases. Alteration of the Earth's surface that affect atmosphere. Now, second component, hydrosphere. Water vapor takes part in greenhouse effect, and it is a source of tropical cyclone, monsoon, etc. Surface water and ocean water influence biodiversity, and ice sheets influences weather system and is a source of large climatic variation. Hydrospheric environmental issues include sea level change, rise in sea level, coastal erosion, and deposition. Third component, lithosphere. Soil is the most important constituent of lithosphere. Environmental issues in lithosphere domain include desertification and land degradation. Desertification is a type of land degradation in which a relatively dry region becomes increasingly arid, losing its bodies of water, vegetation, and wildlife. Land degradation is caused by loss of fertility, soil erosion, waterlogging, salinity and alkalinity, and floods and droughts. Fourth component, biosphere. It extends to any place that life can exist on the earth. Then man-made environment. It consists of those places which are artificially made by man by plant manipulation. Examples, crop fields, urban centers, and industrial setups. Then social environment. It includes all network of political, economic, and religious institutions which decide that environmental resources will be utilized by the people. Now, sustainable development. Sustainable development promotes the idea that social, environmental, and economic progress all are attainable within the limits of our Earth's natural resources. It is multidisciplinary in nature. Society, environment, and equity are the 3 pillars on which sustainable development thrives. There are 4 objectives of sustainable development, and these include: first objective, social progress and equality. Second objective, environmental protection. Third objective is conservation of natural resources, and fourth objective is the stable economic growth. Sustainable development goals. As a part of new sustainable development agenda, countries adopted a set of goals on 25th September 2015 There are 17 goals. Each goal has a specific target to be achieved by 2030. Here are 3 goals. Goal 1, end poverty in all its forms everywhere. Goal 2, end hunger, achieve food security and improve nutrition and sustainable agriculture. Goal 3, ensure healthy lives, promote well-being for all at all ages. Sustainable agriculture. Sustainable agriculture enables us to produce healthful food without compromising future generations' ability to do the same. It is done to satisfy human food and fiber needs, to enhance environmental quality, to make more efficient use of non-renewable resources, to sustain the economic viability of farm operations, and to enhance the quality of life for farmers and society as a whole. Methods and techniques. Certain methods and techniques are used in sustainable agriculture, and these include method 1, drip irrigation, method number 2, no-till farming, number 3, contour plowing, 4, soil stem sterilization, and 5, agroforestry. Drip irrigation, it is also called trickle irrigation or micro irrigation. It is an irrigation method that saves water and fertilizer by allowing water to drip slowly to the roots of plants through a network of valves, pipes, etc. Some advantages of this drip irrigation are nutrient loss is minimized, moisture within the root zone can be maintained at fill capacity, and soil erosion is minimized, etc. Number 2, no-till farming. It is an agricultural technique which increases the amount of water that infiltrates into the soil and increase organic matter retention and cycling of nutrients in the soil. Third method, contour plowing. It prevents soil erosion. Plowing is done across a slope following its elevation contour lines. Fourth, soil stem sterilization. Soil is sterilized with steam to destroy pests of weeds, bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Fifth, agroforestry. It combines agricultural and forestry technologies to create more diverse, more productive, profitable, and sustainable land use system. Conclusion. Today, environment is regarded as a resource. There is need to strike a balance between resource use and resource availability. Safe and clean environment is man's first right. Without a safe environment, man cannot exist to claim other rights, be they political, social, or economic. Sustainable development is necessary to balance our economic, environmental, and social needs. It is also necessary to achieve healthy and developed community. Sustainable development requires the knowledge of scientific, economic, and social sides of problems and their solutions and how they interact. To achieve sustainable development in India, there is need for coordination between government agencies, NGOs, and the public for proper management of environment quality. Thank you.